Hello everyone, my name is Jake Kosick and today I'm going to be showing you a new iOS 17 feature called Name Drop. Now, this is used if you want to share your contact information with someone you haven't previously met before, or if you updated your contact information, and this will only work if both phones are updated to iOS 17. Now, all you have to do is touch the top of the two phones together and it will send contact information from one phone to the other. So now I want to share my contact information with that person, and I want them to share theirs with me. So I click share, they click share, and as long as it works, as you can see, I will get their contact information. And all you have to do is click done, and you've shared your contact information. Now, another cool feature, like AirDrop, is it's the same thing. You could send pictures and videos using this new name drop feature. Just put the top of two phones together and it will send that picture or video to the other person as long as you click share.